Okay, got my drum out and took out the screws, and I'm about to open it and see what it looks like on the inside. Here we go. I already loosened it, so it should come off. Hey, oh! See if there's any mold in here. Why my clothes always smell like mold. Well, actually, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I've seen worse. But on the outside is a bit of mold buildup, a little dirt, maybe some scraping. That don't look too good there. And here's inside the drum. Kind of gross. Gotta clean that out. There's the heat element. Not that bad. But the real surprise is when I take this out and flip it over to see the arm that holds the drum in place with the bearings, and that's the part that I'm going to replace, and I'm sure it is broken and corroded, so I will keep you posted.